machine focus, get some light on there. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the best life hack I have come up with yet for the Onewheel+XR. So I bought a charging port cover. If you haven't seen my video about how annoying it is that they left the charging port out, the cover for it, check out the link up here. Anyway, so I got the charging port cover, but this cover is super small and it's rubber, and every time I charge it I pull it out and I just inevitably forget to plug it back in, or I just grab my board and I'm in a rush and I just run out. So what I did was I made a small hole through the kind of the cross grip piece on the charging port and attached some fishing line. I took the fishing line and I put it round a strand of zip tie and I taped over it. When I roll the board, it has a tendency to snap the zip tie, so I put the tape over because it keeps it kind of safer. You have to keep an eye on it. I just super glued the knots on the fishing line because the fishing line has a tendency to come undone. And now you can see when I plug it in, it's completely flush with the side of the board, and when you go to charge it, you just let it hang, and then right after you pull your charger out, you go, oh yeah, I remember now, just plug that straight back in. So it's literally that easy, but it is a lifesaver. For the sake of a 5-year component, you don't want to lose this, you know? You just want it available all times, and if you're riding along and you catch it on something and it pulls the port out, you know, you can instantly see it hanging and you can just plug it back on. Something you have to be careful of though, once it does come hanging out, it could easily get caught on the wheel or the ground, so just make sure it's always plugged in and then you're good to go. So yeah, that's my life hack with the Onewheel. Hope that helps.